Hello viewers, once again here we like to bring you an employment news. Applications are invited for the undersigned from the permanent residents of Meghalaya for the undermentioned post, varying the skill pay besides allowances as admissible under the rules issued from time to time. Age limit. First time, let me introduce you about the age limit for the following posts. Candidates' age should not be less than 18 years and not more than 32 years as on 1st of July 2024. Upper age relaxation is relaxable by 5 years is respected of scheduled tribe candidates who are permanent resident of state of Meghalaya. Government employees are to produce NOC from the appointing authority when called for personal interview, failing which candidature will be rejected. As per the Government of Meghalaya Office Memorandum by letter number PR AR 150/88/560 dated Shillong 18 January 2023 for person with disabilities or PWDs, age is relaxable by 10 years for general and 15 years for scheduled tribes. So here are the following posts. Serial number 1, name of the post, lower division assistant grade 3 under various government department. Post name or number of posts here we have 17. Unreserved 1, Kasi Jaintia and Garo 15, other STSC 1, and the skill pay it is level 5. Educational qualification for the lower division assistant or LDA will be SSLC pass with certificate diploma in computer with a minimum typing speed of 30 words per minute. And number 2, sericulture demonstrator under office of the district sericulture officer, West Garo Hill, Tura. Number of post 4, unreserved 1, Kasi Jentia Garo 3. Pay skill, year level 5. And the qualification, SSLC pass, 15-month pass certificate course from Sericulture Training Institute, STI Umulong, Jaintia Hills, or 3 years of working experience. Since the candidate are eligible to apply after the training, physical fitness test is not required. And number 3, driver under various government department. Number of post 6, unreserved nil, Kasijentia Garo 6, other STSC nil, and pay level here level 3. And the qualification class 8 pass must possess a valid driving license for light or medium or heavy motor vehicle. Experience is in driving shall be preference, must have fair knowledge of repairing defect, or must possess a valid driving license for light or heavy vehicle. And number 4, tracer, number of post 1 for unreserved, and the pay skill here level 4, and educational qualification SSLC pass. Post name number 5, forester 1, total number of post 3, unreserved 1, Kasijantia 2, and skill pay level 4, and the qualification here HSSLC pass in science streams. Physical required, the candidate must have the following minimum standard for height and chest. That is, for male candidate 163 centimeters, and for males tribal or scheduled tribe 152 centimeters. Female for tribals 145 centimeters. And number 6, draftman. Total number of posts 1 only for Khasi, Jenti and Garo, 1 post. And the skill pay here level 7. And the qualification SSLC or HSSLC or equivalent examination from government recognized board of school education. And candidate must have passed diploma of draftman in technical education from recognized institution. Number 7, dresser. Total number of post 2, unreserved 1, Kasi Jaintia and Garo 1, pay level 2, and qualification SSLC pass. Number 8, Seaman career. Total number of post 1 only for Kasi Janti Angaro and pay skill level 3. Educational qualification SSLC pass. Number 9 grade 4. Total number of post 20. Unreserved 4 Kasi Janti Angaro 15 and other STSC 1. Skill pay level 1 and educational qualification classic pass. And number 10 water carrier. Total number of post 1 only for Kasi Janti Angaro and the skill pay level 1 and educational qualification classics pass. So all candidates who are wanted to apply for the following posts are required to apply through online mode, that is to the official website of www.westgarohill.gov.in before or on of 3rd of October 2024. So the last date for online application, that is up to 5 p.m. on 3rd of October 2024. Candidates who have already registered with the committee website may log in and apply directly against the advertisement vacancies or posts indicated above. And now let me introduce you for the payment of offline application fee for the scheduled tribes or for the candidates belonging to the state of Meghalaya. Examination fees or application fees will have to pay 50 per application fees, and you can pay through the following payments method, that is the credit debit cards or using challan or bank challan. So here, method of selection. The final selection or recommendation of suitable candidates against the vacancies notified in this advertisement shall be made by the committee through any of the following process. Number 1, typing speed. English composition and stenography tests in recruitment to a post of LDA and stenographer. Number 2, process like practical test, written examination, personal interview, name of post, lower division assistant, and practical test, personal interview, name of the post, driver, physical test, written examination, personal interview, name of post, forester, written examination, personal interview, name of post, sericulture, demonstrator, tracer, draftman, dresser, cement carrier, grade 4 and water carrier. So district selection committee reserve the right to change the method of selection process during the period of recruitment. It will be the discretion of the committee of disqualify of candidate if found that illegal or unfair means have been adopted during the conduct of recruitment process. So as of now, I hope you are all understand with the advertisement of the following posts in the DSC of West Garo Hill district. So if the candidates wants to apply for the following post, kindly register and apply. Don't wait up to the last date. But if you are new on my video and my channel, I kindly request you please share, like and subscribe for the upcoming employment news. Only for that, as of now, thank you.